Are you helping me? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Crooked Nature. It's been a hot minute. I don't do a whole lot of videos on camera, but today I am out picking dandelions with the dogs who's been helping me a little bit. They seem to be very interested in the smells coming out of the bowl that I'm putting everything in, which is great. I make dandelion salve 2, maybe 3 times a year, and I sell a lot of it to people receiving cancer treatment. Apparently it does wonders for their skin, and that makes me feel really good. I use it for sunburn. Directly use it for sunburn, and it does an awesome job. So that's my purpose for it, but now I have a different reason to make it. All you need to do is pick your flowers. These are still opening. I'm going to take some of them, but I really want the bees to be able to get as much as possible. Some of these are closing, and that's actually what I really want, is the ones that are almost spent, because that means the bees have visited and they've taken what they really needed. It is early spring in Missouri, and they kind of need to get it. Kind of want to flick them off a little bit, make sure there's no little critters. Take off the top and put it in. Now, if you're doing a full medicinal thing, you would actually want to take some of the leaves as well, but most of the leaves this time of year are a little crispy. They're really thick, and it's major food for the rabbits, so I'm not going to take very much in the way of leaves. I did find some earlier that were really fresh and long and healthy, and I took a few, but that's all right. I need to get as many as I can, and a double reason here to do this, because it's actually going to encourage these plants to put out more flower heads, which is what I would like in order to help the bees. Look at that little guy. Perfect. I know, right? Are you gonna help me? Are you gonna help me? Alright, I just need the dandelions. No, you're not. No, you can't eat my dandelions. I mean, if you want to, I guess you could. Stop it. Here. You having it? Are you my helper today, buddy? Would you like your ball? Those are my fingers, sir. Guys, no, you can't have my dandelion. Oh my goodness, everybody wants my dandelions. I know, they smell interesting because I picked them. Hey, it's not around busy.